When you're out in the wild, your gear is your lifeline. The Go Rhino Xventure gear hard cases offer great protection for anything you might have out on the trail. And as you can see, they come in a variety of sizes, and they're all packed with some amazing features. The rubberized handles provide a comfortable grip even when you're wearing gloves. You can easily carry it with confidence. These family-friendly, finger-safe flex latches make opening and closing the case a breeze. No more struggling with complicated locks. And the stackable design allows you to conveniently store multiple cases without taking up too much space. And if you're traveling by air, these cases are airline friendly. They come with an automatic pressure release valve and provisions for a padlock, ensuring your gear remains secure and well protected. Now let's take a look at the quick release mount. This thing is no slouch when it comes to durability. It's made from heavy-duty 16-gauge steel, so you know your gear is going to be secure no matter the conditions. And don't be worried about your gear shaking around on rough terrain. The quick release mount features an adjustable anti-rattle system keeping everything in place. And for added peace of mind, you'll find locking provisions for a padlock on this mount, so your gear remains safe and sound. Finally, the quick release mount features a textured black powder coat finish, not only adding style to your adventure rig, but also providing extra protection against the elements. Don't let anything hold you back. Gear up with the Xventure Gear Hard Case and Quick Release Mount by Go Rhino and embark on your next adventure with confidence. If you want to know more about the Go Rhino Xventure Gear Hard Cases with mounts, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.